Ella is being a fatty this morning.
My goodness.
Aren't we? She's just begging for everything, which she never does. So we don't know what's going on.
Sit. Foot. Oh, get cheater.
Put some effort in, Ella.
This one.
Now I get food?
Treat.
Jesus. Alright, so finally, today, it is a beautiful day out. We haven't stepped foot outside yet, because we're being hermits today. But, overall, it looks beautiful out. We can actually see the ocean. There's a dog on the beach. There's not supposed to be dogs on the beach, except the nug bug. Yeah. So we're gonna go buy a towel, and then we're gonna go sit on the beach. Sound good? You're eating a cookie. What do you think, Nug? I would like a cookie too.
Yeah. Mom, my food.
How you doing, Nug? She's like, it's warm and cold all the time. Oh, the test in the ride. I was like, there's noises happening. So what we get?
A towel.
Why we get a towel?
Go sit on the beach.
Yeah. Also, we forgot to bring a towel to sit on the beach.
Ah, there's no shoe.
It's a really nice day, but windy, right?
The air is warm, the sun is warm, but the breeze is definitely cool.
Yeah. Gonna go on the beach now. Hi Danielle, we're on the beach.
Yep, beach. Ella's not sure how to feel about the beach.
Yeah, Ella doesn't like the beach.
I'm imitating Ella.
It's just hot. It's a lot of fur. A lot of fur to have on the beach. You can have so much sand in that fur, though.
On the beach.
Walking on the beach?
No, fur on the beach.
I like to say nuggy on the beach. At least it's a nice breeze now.
It's a very nice breeze now.
Before we turned on the camera, it was just stale and hot. That person's surfing. Oh yeah. Boat. I'm assuming they fell. Okay, yeah, they're there. They just up here. Stroke.
Heard trains earlier. Can't open my purse, can't do it.
So Danielle, what are we doing?
Making choices.
Making choices. Are they good choices?
We'll see.
Ella's not getting one. Come and show the camera. Looks good. Don't back up too much more. You happy with it? There's Ella. There's Danielle.
Off my shoe.
You can kind of see it in there. Here's the thing, on the camera especially, it blends in with the pattern. Oh, and then, you know, the front.
So we did a thing.
Yep. What was it like, sweetie?
We spent 2.5 hours there. The
What?
2 was for me.
Yeah, I know. Mine was so short, and I was so glad. Especially when she was like, "We're gonna do some white highlight," and I went, "No." I suck for pain. I hate pain. Now you got nothing else to say on how it was?
It hurt. We did it. was emotional, but we made it through it.
The paw print, by the way, just for the record, the paw print is Belle's paw print. My service dog that I talked about a lot that had, she passed away at the age of 3.5, very unexpectedly, on us of kidney failure, and it tore us apart emotionally and even physically for a while. So it means a lot that that's the paw that's on you. Now it's time for food. Grand can show. Sugar. Ah. I was like, I would like something.
I know I like nerds now.
Yeah, she likes nerds. Walking down the street.
You can hear us over the motorcycle. Vroom, 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 vroom. I need everyone to know I'm here. Vroom, 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 vroom. See? Blaring my music and revving my engine. Now that I have everyone's attention.
His penis is so small. Okay, so what's next, sweetie?
Hotel, drop off, or very
Tappy.
small haul.
What else do we have?
Shirts.
Correct, we got shirts.
We got our 2 shirts and taffy.
Then what's next?
Minigolf.
Yay, Minigolf.
Minigolf.
I'm excited.
This may be interesting.
Well, what, because of your...
But you can't walk, I can't twist.
A little limpy. Actually, the thing that's hurting more is it's exactly where Ella will rub up against me all the time. That's what's been sucking. Has been that.
Fun times.
I'm so sad that it's not open while we're here. Will we have gone? Don't know.
Well, that's the thing. We could have spent too much time there.
Yeah. Wait, we had a good time at the arcade the other day.
Oh, that was great.
Wish I had gotten a little bit more footage, but that's okay. But yes, mini golf. So we're walking down the street, heading back to the hotel, and we just passed something. Danielle, want to fill us in?
Little chihuahua in a stroller. They then had to zipper the chihuahua into the stroller so it wouldn't go after the German Shepherd.
You poop bigger than that thing.
As she was saying, it's not for you to play with, to the dog.
Yep.
I don't know if they were afraid if it got out that she would eat it, because that could be a possibility. Which should be jumping out.
Yeah, exactly. Good times. Okay, now we're on to mini golf. Okay, back at the room. 2 stories of stairs. Very tiring. The tide's in, and also look, it just looks so beautiful. Camera makes it even look better. Holy crap.
It's so blue today.
Oh, so nice.
Not the Caribbean blue, but
The cloudy's gone too.
we can walk on the beach maybe later.
Yeah. Sun's going down maybe. That'd be nice. Back in the room.
I'm ready to fail at mini golf.
Me too. Ella, you ready to like chase the balls and whatnot? Do what you do?
She can be the ball retriever.
Yeah, okay, yeah, we're both broken, so.
Yeah, she can get her face in the hole with the ball and put it in our hand. Perfect.
Look at all the balls floating in the dead water. Specifically, right there.
Yep.
Oh boy, yeah, but yeah, Claire Coat, woohoo! Yep, you hit it.
Yep. Because I said that, I knew it wasn't going to hit yours. Feel aggressive. No! So he had to get that one on camera.
Me too!
Too hard.
Man,
I
you
am
like,
so aggressive.
you like smash
I
it.
didn't think I did, but apparently.
Also, Ella's being so good.
She's such a good girl. Oh, so close. Sides. Oh, no. Ooh, there. Woo! 2.
Much softer this time. I think you had to be a little bit harder this time. we go.
I'm not succeeding.
You're not succeeding?
No.
Number 5.
Too hard.
I actually, oh, well, nope.
Too hard.
You know, this really makes me miss that Planet Coaster doesn't have Minigolf. Ooh, ooh. Not a bad shot. I just realized I'm in the rocks. Ooh, okay.
Too hard.
I mean, you hit the hole. Come on, Ella.
Okay, now Ella, pick it up and drop it in the hole. Yeah, right there.
Yep, that's the hole.
Come on, come get it. Get
No, 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 because she will.
it. I want to see if she will. She's like, I don't
Go.
like the mulch. She doesn't like it.
Okay, well, too bad. Off the green, lady.
Oh.
Okay, watch yourself.
Lift my feet.
Oh, so close.
It's still going.
Ella, I like that you're holding your leash.
It'd be cute if she was holding it in her mouth.
It's so cute. I actually never taught her that. But my ball is way down there. I did nothing. I'm gonna get some action shot of Danielle's.
Oh yeah, action.
Ready, Nog? Okay, nope.
Said action. I'll give you action.
Good job, buddy. Come back, come back, come back.
Oh, no. Oh, okay. Okay. That's not where I want to be. Come back home. Oh,
You're closest. All right, hole 11.
oh, goodness gracious.
You know what? You're up there.
That's my bet. No.
Yeah, you go tell it, Danielle.
Yeah, well.
12.
I'm not in the rocks.
No, actually, you're doing a lot better than I am. Different train. Got spooked.
Beep.
Okay, because I forgot to film Danielle because she went first this time, you're gonna get a POV of being the club. Here we go, ready? That would have been awesome. It would have to rock real hard up that hill. Wait. Did you see, Nog? We did it! We got a hole in one! Okay, Danielle's up on hole number 14. I got a hole in one. Okay, don't pile drive it into me.
Oh, bracket?
Yeah.
Every time.
Wow, your eyes look really blue in that stuff.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Three. Oh, she already hit it. Hole one, right, Danielle?
Three. Man, I got a lot of things.
Up the yeah, you did.
I definitely mixed up our numbers at one point.
Oh, good. At least you know.
Well, you can tell because I didn't get a bunch of 2s in a row.
Nope.
Actually, I might have gotten that one.
Watch out, that one's slippery.
Now, that might be mine because you got a hole in one. So, you know, that was my 2 finally. Okay.
Here we go. Boink.
As it bounces out.
Good shot.
Keep running.
Lighthouses. So did you have fun?
Yes.
I was, you know, if this was in 3D, that would have been neat. Now what?
I'm getting Subway.
Neat.
And you're not because you're a quitter.
I don't feel like Subway.
Subway!
Walking down the boardwalk. Danielle got Subway.
Subway!
And what else happened, Danielle?
I found a phone in the middle of the road. I thought it was a phone case, and then I went and go pick it up, and it was a phone with
credit cards.
Well, it's the wallet with a pop socket on it. So there was a license and I think 2 credit cards attached to the phone. I believe her name was Haley. Your phone is with the police.
Yeah, so we came back down towards the boardwalk, was able to find an officer, gave him the phone, told him where we found it. Hopefully, it's somebody local, so it's not like they're trying to like find somebody from a different state. It was Maine.
Luckily it was Maine. Who knows? I didn't look to see if she was from Old Orchard.
But again, like at least they can go through the DMV and
yeah.
But geez, so Danielle did her good deed for the day.
Well, luckily it didn't look damaged. So if it did fall off of a car, it took the impact.
The phone's
well.
intact. So
yeah.
Good on that.
Like who knows? It might have fallen out of her pocket crossing the street or something.
Yeah. I'm glad you saw it though.
Well,
yeah, because somebody else could have gotten it and just taken the stuff.
Well, that's the thing. You could just take the credit cards.
So, good job. But back to the hotel for food.
Yeah.
One last walk on the beach.
Much for walking.
At least I would have caught it. So Danielle, what do you think about our trip to Maine? Or Ella Goes to Maine, as it will be named on YouTube.
She had fun? Question mark?
Did you have fun? I don't know.
I was here.
I was here. I didn't really get a vacation. Actually, I worked harder on the vacation. Yeah. Gotta protect. Then we take the fancy car home tomorrow. And we make sure there's no scratches, or we might as well not go home.
Way ahead, but it's up there.
Okay. Walking the beach one more time, huh, sweetie?
Yep.
Camera makes everything look really,
it's really,
really
right
nice.
Now.
It is really pretty out.
Hope you're not getting me this entire time.
I've been trying to get the ocean, but I think it's been drifting to you.
Okay.
Now we can look at Nuggy walking through the sand.
So if you were 2 steps earlier, we could have gotten the sunset, but now it's behind.
Yeah. It's nice though. Bye, Maine. Going home day, Nug. Why do you always look so sad? You're not this sad of a dog. Not so really. Camera makes her look like 5 times sadder. But we're going home today. Packing. Why hoofing? The camera's on. There's Danielle. Packing. Did you have fun in Maine? Woo. Time to go home and see the dogs.